Hello, my friends. I'm nutritionist Karina Alvarez from Cooking for a Change and Surya World. You may have often heard how important it is to get enough protein in our diets. Sometimes people worry too much about it, but let me tell you, it is really easy to get the protein we need through our diets. Although it is true that sometimes it is necessary to increase proteins, especially in growing children, pregnant, nursing women, convalescents, and of course, athletes and very active people who add more for muscle growth mainly. For that, I want to share with you my protein smoothie bowl that I call Nutrition Nirvana. When I created it, I want to use fruits of spring and summer seasons that combine well together and at the same time using some great supplements to make it nutritionally rich. Believe me, it's delicious. Come with me, I'll show you how to make it. Okay, my friends, as easy as that. I hope you like this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and share it. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Surya World and Cooking for a Change. I'll see you next time. Enjoy! Big hugs!